Hello everyone, my name is Maggie and I would like to welcome you to the online tour of my 2-week course, History of Halloween and the Day of the Dead. Now, just to give a little bit of shed a little light on these photos right here. Each one of you, as you look at this, you're probably going to have a different perspective of what it means or kind of view it differently. This right here is representative of the Burning Man, which is part of the ancient festival of Samhain, which is the origin of Halloween. And also, this photo right here represents, to me, the veil between the living and the dead that takes place, that's super thin, between October 31st and November 2nd, that allows the spirits and also the more sinister beings to come forward into the land of the living for just for a short period of time. So the importance of this course is for high school aged students to senior adults to learn about the origins of these holidays and how they have evolved to fit into modern day societies. For example, I am not sure if you're all familiar with St. Patrick and the impact that he had on the traditions associated with Halloween. You will certainly find out in, like as you explore some of these recommended sources that you will be exploring. So this course will provide knowledge that will help clear up any misconceptions about the reasoning behind the celebrations, as well as help you give emerging generations more memorable experiences moving forward. As we go through here, you'll be taking this little assessment that will help me understand the reasons for you taking this course, and then also to help give you a more richer and fuller experience as we move through there. So in week 1, we will be doing more of research for the holiday, and then once you post your introduction, you'll go ahead and introduce yourself, and then also respond to 2 classmates who may experience these holidays differently than you do, or like their experiences growing up may be different than how you grew up experiencing that same holiday. So the research will allow you to explore the timeline of these 2 interesting holidays, and you can go ahead and explore through here, and then you will be adding a description, whether it's through video or a tool of your choice. Go ahead and paste the link here, and then correspond with at least 2 of your classmates and discuss what you find surprising in the recommended resources. Week 2, we'll have you recreate a holiday, and this is for your final assignment, which will allow you to recreate more of a immersive experience, or a full immersion experience that will demonstrate everything that you've learned and picked up out of doing your research. And it will be very interesting. Here you have basically a license to go crazy. You can use whatever tool that you're comfortable with, and you'll be sharing your work with your peers, and you'll be able to get kind of a broader perspective of how both of these holidays are experienced throughout different cultures. And it'll be really interesting. Thank you so much for taking the time to take this little tour, and I hope that I get to see all of you in the class. And all right, I look forward to get to knowing each and every one of you. Thank you so much.